Hey y'all, I know y'all probably can't see me. It's 9:30 at night. I decided to get out the house. I've been so busy preparing my content and working for my brand, my spice, all that stuff that I totally forgot to get as creative as I could for Valentine's Day tomorrow. Now, obviously, it's way too late to be doing all of that, so I'm gonna go get a card and some ingredients to make him like a bomb breakfast before he goes to work tomorrow. So the issue is, however, Babe left his lunch bag at work, so I can't sneak his little gift or a card, hopefully my camera don't move, please Lord, okay, into his bag because his bag is not here. So we're all gonna sneak and put it into his work bag while he's in the shower tonight. So I'm gonna try to catch all of that on camera. Let me put my disclaimer out there now. Please excuse my home. Everything's tore up because we are moving. I know y'all sick of me saying it. I'm driving so slow because I'm scared the camera is gonna be stupid, but yeah, so I'm on my way to Kroger right now. I'm only getting a couple ingredients. I have some things in my house already, so it's all good. But yeah, that's the type. Alright y'all, so I got the card. So now let's go get the bacon and all the other extra stuff that I'm getting. So you would think I want to get chocolate for him, but he's not a chocolate eater. He's a gummy bear eater slash Lifesavers, but I can't find them. Oh, there they go. Lifesavers. I'm not sure if I should get the hard or the soft. See, soft too though. Well, I just committed a violation and got this ready-made whipped cream. I don't care. Alright, I'm done with Kroger. It's always so freaking hot in these supermarkets and stores. They don't believe in AC. Then again, it is kind of warm out here. But yeah, I'm on my way back. Now the challenge is going to be getting past him with this card in his bag, because it's but I don't think he's gonna see it. It's not that deep. I think I'm just making it extra, but he don't miss nothing because he always looking at me, always checking me out, all this stuff. So yeah, then I was like, okay, maybe I can use my titties, well, I'm sorry, I truly apologize, my boobs, to carry it. What I should have did was wrap it in one of those plastic bags and then put it in the bag, but I don't have my seatbelt on. I know, I live right here. So what you doing? Come on, let's know what you doing. Alright y'all, so I'm back home. He didn't see the stuff that I bought, but he did have to come outside and get me because y'all, I couldn't even film it because I was so damn scared. It was a dog. I'm scared of dogs, and I wouldn't get out the car. It's a real bad phobia of mine, so he had to come out and get me. I know I'm a grown woman, that should not be, but listen. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill this out. Oh y'all, oh my god. This is how y'all know I eat this stupid candy. Now, why I thought this was individually wrapped, it's not. And his laptop bag, which is his work bag, I can't put this big old bag in there. He's gonna know. So now I need to figure it out. Yeah. Alright y'all, so the backup plan number 2 is I'm gonna have to run to the car fast as hell while he's in the shower, because he don't have his lunch bag here, and I need him to see this when he gets to work. too much. I really be doing too much. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put it right up in there. And yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm dressed and ready to go. Yeah, let's see what's the tea today. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. And yep, so I'm dressed, ready to go. I have a dress on. I'll probably have better pictures later that I'll insert. Also follow me on social media at Misha's Corner on Instagram. Every social media, I'm Misha's Corner. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so the first stop is a movie that came out today. We're gonna see, I've been waiting to see this movie since I saw it. How do I? In the theater. It's Battle Angel, Alita. Battle Angel, so that's what we're finna do. And we're seeing it in IMAX 3D. I've never been in IMAX 3D. That's how you can tell I ain't never been nowhere. So let's go see what these seats or whatever look like.
It was so out of character.
You know, it just felt right.
How did you get through security without a ticket?
They just let me through.
Alright, y'all, the movie was great. I'll tell y'all more about that once I get in the car. But now we stopped to get a little bit of lunch. I got wings, 10 wings, and I got half buffalo, half barbecue, and an onion rings to share. And he got boneless and fruit punch. And yep. Hey y'all, so I'm home. I had a good date today. Nothing else really happened. We just enjoyed our time together. I'm still eating on my chocolate. I swear, these are the best chocolates ever. Okay, and he remembered that these were my favorite and he bought them. So, you know, it was more sentimental than anything, so I appreciated it. But anyway, I had a good time today. I'm just on here just to wrap up the vlog. The date was great. Valentine's Day was great. I don't really have anything else to say. Moving forward, after these videos come out today and tomorrow, I won't be as consistent until next month. So look out for that, like I said before. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.